Hi guys, today we compare Motorola Edge 50 Pro versus HMD Skyline. The HMD Skyline we launched on July 2024. The price is $500. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro come with April 2024 with the price is $550. The dimension is 6.47 inch width, 2.94 inch thickness, 7.9 mm. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro height 6.35 inch width, 2.85 inch thickness, 8.2 mm. The weight of HMD Skyline 199 gram. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro 186. The build HMD Skyline front glass, back glass and aluminium frame. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro front glass, eco leather back and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display of the device is same POLED 1 billion color. The screen size of HMD Skyline is 6.55 inch. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro 6.7 inch. The resolution of Motorola Edge 50 Pro 1.5K. The HMD Skyline 1080p and the Motorola Edge 50 Pro 446 ppi at HD. The HMD Skyline 402. The refresh rate is same 144 Hz and the screen to body ratio. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with 92.0% screen to body ratio. The HMD Skyline 83.9% screen to body ratio. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection. The HMD Skyline Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection and the HMD Skyline comes with 3.5 mm jack and 1000 nits peak of brightness. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup. The HMD Skyline comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 108 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, LED flash, HDR and panorama. It's record 4K 30fps video. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with triple camera setup to 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel ultra wide and 13 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it has LED flash, panorama, HDR, 4K 30fps video record. The both mobile come with 50 megapixel selfie camera, HDR and 4K 30fps video record. The platform. The HMD Skyline comes with octa-core Cortex A78 2.4 GHz CPU. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex X4 2.63 GHz CPU. The HMD Skyline comes with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU is and HMD Skyline Adreno 710 and the Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with Adreno 720. The both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. The memory of the devices. The HMD Skyline and Motorola Edge 50 Pro come with 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM. Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB of internal storage. HMD Skyline 256 and 128 GB internal storage. The HMD Skyline Sport micro SD card. The battery backup. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with 4500 mAh battery, HMD Skyline 4600 mAh battery and the Motorola Edge 50 Pro Sport 125 watt fast charging. The HMD Skyline Sport 33 watt fast charging. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro Sport 50 watt wireless charging and HMD Skyline Sport 15 watt wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the features of HMD Skyline: Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, Type-C 2.0, fingerprint side mounted, UFS 2.2 and IP54 dust and water resistant. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 2.2 and IP68 water and dust resistant. The result of these devices is the HMD Skyline got 17 points. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro got 25 points.